All right, Braille Army, here we are with a box. Okay, this box is very well cut. I just think that that's really good. And it was shipped to our P.O. box. Okay, on the outside it says mat board, skate inside. I think it's a board made out of Matthew. We gotta know. Good thing I learned how to read in third grade.
It's not double spaced.
To Aaron, Kyro, Lance Silber, Gay Cruz, Troy Young, Fetty Potter, Nigel Jones, and Kelly Wakasa.
I made it!
Wow! Hey, Braille crew! My name is Maya Hampton, and I'm from Black Creek, Vancouver Island, British Columbia, Canada. If you are reading this, it means that you have successfully sent this skateboard, and I have also graduated from high school. Since September of 2016, I have become a huge fan of...
Buddy. Do you want attention or what, Ned?
This is why, like, when you were like, do you just want to do it alone or have those guys? I was like, I'll just read it. I have become a huge fan of Braille skateboarding and continue to watch your daily videos on YouTube. I first found out about your channel when I was browsing on YouTube one day and clicked on the first video featuring the glass skateboard. After watching Aaron's hilarious attempt to drop in, I was instantly hooked. Watching all of the You Make It We Skate It videos of seeing viewers' creative designs gave me inspiration to make my own skateboard for a school art project. Introducing the Matte Skateboard. The board was made using 2 sheets of matte board and 1 sheet of plywood. Matte board is generally used as poster board. First, I traced out the shape using my regular skateboard. With some help, all 3 sheets were then cut with a heavy-duty X-Acto knife and glued together with wood glue. After that was done, I painted the designs using acrylic paint and stencils. As you have probably noticed, on the top of the deck is 2 outlines of Vancouver Island and California. I had no idea that was Vancouver Island, but now I know. My initial idea was to put Vancouver Island on the nose and California on the tail because it is not only visually shows where this deck was sent, but also gives you some understanding of where I am in relation to Braille. Although I don't skate as often as I'd like to, my goal is to relearn how to skateboard again because when I was 10 and did it for a couple years but then stopped, for most of my life I've always been interested in skateboarding and was first introduced it by my older brother. Thank you for giving me motivation to skate again and teaching people how to properly skateboard using Skateboarding Made Simple and other YouTube tutorials. You are very welcome. It is so awesome for me to be a part of such a cool company and contribute to Braille skateboarding, which is something I love. I hope you have fun with the skateboard. Keep skating and making videos. I love what you do. Hashtag push skateboarding. Shout out Aaron. Please say, hey, yeah, a chicken daddy again.
Oh, it's been a while.
P.S. Please use 4 bolts. I was just thinking, at least there's no holes. We could just do 2, quickly put them in. But man, specifically directed to use 4 bolts. All right, guys, so I'm gonna drill holes in this, and we're gonna ask you if Fetty should get a Braille tattoo. Leave it in the comments below.
Seriously.
His birthday's coming up. We're like, sure, Fetty.
I want Fetty to get a Braille tat.
You know who knows how to give tattoos is Troy. Troy could just give you a Braille
Dude,
tattoo.
that's even better. Troy gives Fetty Potter a Braille tattoo.
It's okay if you don't want a Braille tattoo. We understand.
I don't.
I was thinking as I did that, I probably should have used the other side. Is it?
Yes.
Why is that off?
It definitely is too close. Like, this side is way bigger than...
What are you talking about? I just eyeballed it. Of course it's right.
You think it's an old board and put the board over that?
What do you think this is?
The washers?
Atlas board.
Did I mention that Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 7 is coming out on Saturday?
Nope, not yet.
Cannot wait.
It's gonna teach you the basics of ramp tricks. We're really scared this is gonna break. So what they gave in the instructions is just to write it. Very gently. Just
What is this?
Yeah, Troy. Where are these 2 places? If you can guess it, we give you $10.
$10? That's
Yeah.
California.
Well done.
Rhymes with Vancouver.
Vancouver.
Dude!
No.
Dude!
It's Vancouver Island.
How did you get that?
Okay, well, I'm really excited to see if this thing can be kickflipped without being broken. So
Let's drop in first.
I'm a good, like, 170 pounds. How much do you weigh?
7.
Say 114, 115.
So we're gonna let you ride this, but be as gentle as you can.
Don't do a kickflip, just
no
ride.
kickflips. Whoa, whoa, whoa! First impressions. Does it feel like it's going to break?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Cruise around. like the first flip trick or anything I try popping wise is gonna snap.
That was glass skateboard all over again. No, Kelly, you break everything. Get up there.
No.
Betty, no.
No!
Betty. In your defense, it does have 4 bolts. Kickflip off?
Yeah, I mean,
Oh boy.
All right, I'm down.
No.
You versus you.
okay, it's gonna hold.
First try!
Wait, Fetty's gonna do an ollie?
It's literally like this. Fetty's like, oh, let me try. And he just barely touches it. The whole thing.
Can I do the 3?
Yeah. If you break it, you're getting the tattoo.
Every now and then there's a thing that you think is gonna break right away, and we end up doing like 300 tricks on it. The tail dragging on the ground.
It's made out of a piece of poster paper, and it's like the strongest board we've ever skated.
We got this, and then the one that was made out of pure concrete, harder than, maybe it was too hard, and it just broke right away, first anything.
Okay, it's possible.
Kickflip the 5 after this?
Carlos is down.
Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee.
Yeah. Sting like a barracuda with a stinger.
No slide.
Yes.
What are we thinking?
Wow, we have lost it. No slide it. No slide it. No slide it.
I need more wax.
Wow. Consider it a land.
Big Hubba? I was so scared it was gonna stick and he was gonna die.
Oh my gosh.
I just love that the board fell and hit Lance in the foot. First try!
I think Carlos should kick with the 5.
Dude, if he kickflips a 5 on this, definitely got good pop. What the? It didn't break. Oh, ollie off. Ollie offs and spree. This thing is awesome. If you kickflip it, I will give you $3.
It's possible.
I just have to point out the thing has no nose or tail. It's completely flat and made out of paper.
And it's Carlos.
And it's
doesn't
Carlos.
Really has anything to do
Yeah.
with it.
Oh yeah, that's going down.
The funny thing about Carlos is like it wasn't really that close, and he's like,
can't even
"Oh yeah,
stack
that's
it.
going down for sure." Indestructible.
That was so good.
That felt good. That was even easier than the ollie, dude. That's crazy.
Skate every day, bro.
Alright, that's our new music video. I mean, what? Don't break it now, Fetty.
Try that out.
Tray
Trying
flip?
to tray flip the 5.
No. This is, I mean, it's stronger than a regular skateboard.
In
at
the
this
3 to 5?
He does like one like semi-attempt, and he's like, "I'll try it."
Just try to lip flip it.
No!
The skateboard we thought would break on the first trick is now being ollie late flipped down the 5. No!
That must be the hardest thing that I could possibly imagine doing.
I love that that was like his worst slam yet. And the second he slammed, he goes, oh, I can do this. What I do not get is in order to do an ollie late flip, you have to ollie, but you cannot ollie that board. Wait, damage report. Let's see this thing.
I think it's
Straight
fine.
up. Oh yeah, you got this.
I did kind of land.
Primo butt snap it. Primo butt snap So.
So wait, let's look at what this actually was made out of.
Mahogany.
I mean, they said in the thing, like a thin sheet of plywood with poster board on both sides is basically what it was. All right, that was quite incredible. There was a lot of tricks that went down on this.
Indestructible paper matte skateboard.
When they said like matte skateboard, I thought it was like a skateboard that you only can use inside. Boy, did we prove that wrong.
When they said Matt skateboard, I thought it was a guy named Matt who skateboarded.
All right, guys, well, this lasted way longer than we thought it would. So did you.
Oh, don't worry about me, I'm good.
If you guys have something cool to send us like this, you can email your idea, pictures of it, descriptions of it to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. And we will continue on our worldwide campaign to make the world of skateboarding bigger. The update on that is that you can click the link in the description below to get free Skateboarding Made Simple DVD. That's an actual physical DVD. You pay for the shipping. The DVD goes to your house because we want to teach more people how to skateboard, so do that. And we also have a new Skateboarding Made Simple coming out on Saturday, January 20th. Very exciting. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Follow Carlos. Definitely check out the playlist for You Make It, We Skate It. We have actually skated some incredibly cool things, so check it out. Hope you enjoy the videos. Hope your day is going as good as ours is. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.